Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a catalytic converter on a Kia Soul. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential tools like wrenches, sockets, and a torque wrench, along with safety glasses and gloves. Always ensure your vehicle is completely cool and securely supported on sturdy jack stands. For electrical safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any work. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's locate the old catalytic converter, which is usually found underneath your Kia Soul, positioned between the exhaust manifold and the muffler. Before attempting to loosen any fasteners, generously spray penetrating oil onto all the bolts and nuts. Allow it to soak for several minutes. This will significantly ease their removal. Then, carefully unbolt the oxygen sensors and detach the exhaust flange connections on both sides of the converter. With the old converter removed, it's time to install the new one. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the exhaust pipe mating surfaces to ensure a good seal. Carefully position the new catalytic converter into place, aligning it correctly with the exhaust system. Hand tighten all the bolts first to ensure everything fits without cross-threading. Then, reinstall the oxygen sensors, making sure they are properly threaded and snug before final tightening. For the final steps, use a torque wrench to tighten all exhaust bolts to the manufacturer's precise specifications, typically around 30 to 40 foot-pounds. This ensures a secure, leak-free connection. Next, reconnect the negative battery terminal, making sure it is firmly attached. Finally, start your Kia Soul's engine and listen carefully for any exhaust leaks. A quick visual inspection can also help confirm a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.